Hi, I'm about to serve lunch right now, but I want to quickly share with you my honest opinion on using this Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker. It's honestly the game-changing device on the kitchen for me because I'm a bad cooker and this is a perfect rice cooker. Because my boyfriend, he loves to eat rice so much, and this device is really saved me time and my nerves cooking rice. First of all, it's so easy to use. I can cook different types of rice here. Usually we cook white rice and sometimes brown rice, but I can do it softer, harder. I can do porridge, mixed, sweet, semi-brown, brown, like everything. This machine is so smart and it's perfect for me. It does everything by itself. I just need to measure rice and just put it inside of the pan inside the cooker and it's cooking. Now I have so half of the rice is on the table already and half is here, and I can honestly tell that the rice never been perfect as with this device. It's honestly really soft and I can measure everything right here. I have a special measurement here for the sushi rice, for the porridge, for the white rice. This rice cooker for the 5.5 cups of the rice, and it's perfect for family. I also like that it comes with this special measurement cup, so I usually put like 3 cups of the rice. Of course I rinse it with the water a lot, and then I put here also 3 cups of the water. It's really easy to use, and that's it what I do. Then I just place this pan inside of the rice cooker and close it, switch it on. It has a cord right here, and I like that it's easy to use and easy to manage this cord. It's pretty long, and then it just automatically goes inside. Easy to carry this machine. It's so smart. Let me switch it on and show you how I keep the rice warm. And here you have the screen. Here is the place where all the air is going out of this rice cooker. And my favorite button, when the rice is done, I don't need really to do anything. I just put the rice and just press the button, choose the menu, which rice I want to cook. To change the settings of which rice I want to cook, I just press menu. And it's harder to see right here. It's really easy, but usually we just do the white rice. This is my favorite button to keep the rice warm, and I like to press it. It signals and it will keep it warm for all the time when I need it, and I can eat it in the morning or in the evening and it's still hot. It's really perfect. I like how easy it is to clean this device. This is detachable. I can clean this. I clean the pan, and it's really the game-changing rice cooker and the best for me.